Welcome to PrimePic's Lab. The best 7-pin trailer connector is probably one of the most important components for anyone who tows a trailer. It ensures that your trailer's lights, brakes, and other electrical systems function correctly, keeping you and others safe on the road. This video will cover everything you need to know about 7-pin trailer connectors, from their purpose and how they work to how to choose the right one for your needs. Number 5. Oyviny RV 7-pin trailer plug. This trailer plug features an IP68 waterproof seal, keeping moisture out. The detachable compression nut and rubber grommet protect the terminals from water and dust. The wire inlet size is 3/4 foot NPT. This 7-pin trailer adapter provides a secure connection. It easily connects to your trailer's wiring for tail lights, brake lights, and more. It ensures everything works as it should. The terminals inside the plug are held securely by a screw strain relief clamp. This prevents the wires from pulling out, ensuring a reliable connection. You can count on it to stay connected. Made from heavy-duty gray plastic with brass terminals, this plug is built to last. The brass terminals ensure great conductivity. It's designed for long-lasting use. Installation is simple: loosen the screws, pull out the terminals, and splice the wires. Then, reassemble the plug. It's designed for quick and easy setup. What we like. This trailer plug features an IP68 waterproof seal, ensuring your connections stay protected from the elements. It's built with a sturdy design and easy installation, making it a reliable choice. If you frequently tow in wet or dusty conditions, this is the perfect solution to keep your trailer lights functioning flawlessly. What people say. The IP68 waterproof seal is no joke. I've driven through some serious rain and muddy conditions, and this connector held up flawlessly without any sign of moisture getting inside. The detachable design makes it easy to install and remove, which is super convenient when you're dealing with multiple trailers or replacing old connectors. Once you tighten everything down, the cable is locked in place with zero movement. Number 4. 7-way RV trailer light connector socket. Are you looking for an easy way to upgrade your trailer's wiring? This 7-way connector is the perfect solution. It's designed for easy installation and reliable performance. This 7-pin trailer wiring socket is compatible with a wide range of vehicles. It connects to your existing wiring to control tail lights, brake lights, and turn signals. It's suitable for various vehicles. Built to last, this connector features heavy-duty plastic and brass terminals. The spring-loaded dust cover protects the connector from dust and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting use. Installation is a breeze with the included mounting bracket and hardware. You can quickly create a custom wiring system for any towing situation. It's a simple upgrade. This connector handles all your trailer's electrical needs. It supports tail lights, brake lights, reverse lights, turn signals, trailer brakes, and auxiliary power. It's a complete solution. What we like. This connector offers quick installation with all necessary hardware included, saving you time and effort. Its ultra-durable construction ensures it can withstand the rigors of the road. If you're looking for a versatile and easy-to-install solution for various vehicles, this is the one to choose. What people say. Very well made. Good quality. All the right pieces. Easy install. Works great. I made this into an adapter to connect my trailer lights to my tractor. Number 3. CURT 58150 7-pin RV blade trailer wiring harness. This wiring harness has a spring-loaded dust cover. It keeps the connection points dry and protected when not in use, ensuring consistent power. The trailer wiring socket features concealed wire terminals. This design helps protect the connection points from various threats like dirt and rain. This 7-pin trailer wiring socket is ready to splice into your vehicle's wiring. It connects tail lights, brake lights, reverse lights, turn signals, trailer brakes, and auxiliary power. This connector is a great replacement and is interchangeable with virtually any vehicle-side 7-way RV connector. It's commonly used for towing RV travel trailers. The housing of this 7-pin trailer wiring socket is made from durable black plastic. This ensures long-lasting use and a reliable connection, as it will never rust or corrode. What we like. This trailer wiring harness features a protected connection with a spring-loaded dust cover, keeping your connections dry and protected. It's also weather-resistant, safeguarding against corrosion. If you want a long-lasting and reliable connection, this is the ideal choice for your towing needs. What people say. Wired up super easy and was a simple install. The spring retaining mechanism works well to hold the cord in. Good contact blades and their labeling made wiring a breeze. Number 2. POLLAK 12 to 706 7-way plastic blade plug. This plug is designed with a universal fit, making it compatible with a wide range of applications. It's easy to install and ensures a secure connection. This makes it a versatile choice for various needs. This product is manufactured in China. It is built to meet quality standards. You can rely on it for your needs. The package dimensions are 3.75 inches in length, 1.75 inches in height, and 3.0 inches in width. This compact size makes it easy to handle and store. It is designed for your convenience. The package weighs a mere 0.1 pounds, making it lightweight and easy to transport. This ensures that the product is easy to handle. It is designed for your convenience. This plug features a plastic blade style. This design ensures a secure and reliable connection. It is built to last. What we like. This trailer plug offers a universal fit, making it compatible with a wide range of trailers. It's made with durable materials, ensuring longevity. If you need a simple, reliable plug that's easy to use, this is a great option. What people say. The wire terminals are large places that squeeze against both sides of the wire. The strain relief is a nice design with a huge set screw that applies pressure to a saddle Y in turn holds the wires across a large area without pinching them. The inner connector block, which pulled out of the old one, is secured with a set screw, which, rather than using friction, screws into a molded recess. Number 1. Spurtar 7-pin trailer plug. This is the Spurtar 7-pin trailer plug. It's a reliable and upgraded solution for your trailer wiring needs. This plug ensures a secure connection for all your trailer lights and functions. The Spurtar plug is an industry-standard 7-way RV blade connector. It's commonly used on RV camper trailers for towing, making it a versatile choice for various trailers. Featuring brass terminals, this plug offers superior conductivity. The screw strain relief clamp prevents wires from detaching, ensuring a consistently strong connection. Designed with user-friendliness in mind, the ergonomic design includes a safety latch. This feature provides a safe and secure grip when connecting or disconnecting the trailer wiring. The 7-way RV blade connector is a great replacement. It's interchangeable with any trailer-side 7-way RV connectors, providing a flexible solution for your needs. The Spurtar 7-pin trailer wiring plug is ready to integrate into your existing trailer wiring. It connects taillights, brake lights, reverse lights, turn signals, trailer brakes, and auxiliary power. What we like. This trailer plug ensures a good connection with brass terminals for better conductivity. It features a safe grip with a safety latch for secure connections. If you like a reliable and versatile connector that's easy to handle, this is the perfect choice for your trailer. What people say. Need for my boat. Had to have 5th wire to turn hydraulic brakes off while in reverse. Strong body with brass terminals and a secure wire clamp. Good replacement plug. Seems like it will last. Good quality connections. Wiring guide includes color pics. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.